Some of the smartest people you will ever meet do not sound smart at all. In fact, you might overlook them completely, because extremely high intelligence rarely looks like what movies taught you to expect. Why this matters to you. Every day, you make decisions about who to trust, who to listen to, and who to learn from. At work, in relationships, in money and career choices. Psychology shows that humans are surprisingly bad at recognizing real intelligence. We confuse confidence with competence, loud opinions with deep thinking, credentials with actual problem-solving ability. Understanding how high IQ behavior really shows up can change how you evaluate people around you and how you understand yourself. Let's break this down calmly, using well-established findings from cognitive psychology and behavioral science. 1. They think slowly, not loudly. One of the most reliable signs of high intelligence is cognitive restraint. Highly intelligent people often pause before answering. They do not rush to speak. They think. This aligns with research on System 2 thinking, described by psychologist Daniel Kahneman. System 2 is slow, effortful, and analytical. High IQ individuals rely on it more often, especially for important decisions. In real life, this looks like silence in meetings before speaking, asking clarifying questions instead of reacting, saying "I'm not sure yet" without discomfort. They understand that fast answers feel confident, but are often wrong, and they are comfortable letting others talk while they process. Before we move on, notice how this already contradicts the stereotype of the quick genius. 2. They are comfortable saying "I don't know." This one surprises many people. Extremely intelligent individuals are less threatened by uncertainty. Studies on intellectual humility show that higher cognitive ability is associated with better awareness of knowledge limits. In simple terms, smarter people know what they don't know. You will hear them say, "I need more information. That's outside my expertise. I could be wrong." This is not weakness. It is accuracy. Lower IQ individuals, by contrast, are more likely to overestimate their understanding. This pattern is well documented in psychology and often referred to as overconfidence bias. High IQ people do not need to appear certain to feel secure. They care more about being correct than being impressive. And this leads directly to the next sign. 3. They ask better questions than they give answers. High intelligence often shows up through question quality, not speech volume. Instead of making long statements, they ask questions that reveal assumptions, clarify goals, expose contradictions. In workplaces, this looks like someone asking, "What problem are we actually trying to solve? What evidence supports that? What happens if this assumption is wrong?" Research on critical thinking consistently shows that the ability to ask precise questions is more predictive of problem-solving success than raw knowledge. These people are not trying to dominate conversations. They are trying to understand systems. And because of that, they often see problems earlier than everyone else. 4. They get bored with small talk, but excel in deep conversation. High IQ individuals are not antisocial. They are selectively social. Studies have found that people with higher cognitive ability report lower enjoyment from constant superficial social interaction. Not because they dislike people, but because their brains seek stimulation through ideas, not repetition. They may appear quiet in group settings, but give them a meaningful topic, and they become deeply engaged. They enjoy conversations about how systems fail, why people behave irrationally, long-term consequences, trade-offs, and unintended effects. This does not mean they are arrogant. It means their mental reward system responds more strongly to depth than to noise, and this preference affects how they behave under pressure. 5. They stay emotionally calm during conflict. High intelligence is strongly linked with emotional regulation. This does not mean they lack emotion. It means they are better at managing it. Research in cognitive psychology shows that higher executive functioning, associated with higher IQ, improves impulse control and emotional regulation. In real situations, they do not escalate arguments quickly. They pause instead of reacting. They separate emotion from decision-making. When conflict arises, they focus on what outcome actually matters here. Is this worth the cost? This calmness is often misinterpreted as coldness, but it is actually a sign of cognitive control. And it leads to another misunderstood behavior. 6. They often appear less confident than they are. Paradoxically, high IQ individuals often undersell themselves. Because they see complexity, uncertainty, and edge cases, they hesitate to make absolute claims. Meanwhile, less intelligent individuals see the world in simpler terms and express stronger confidence. This gap is well documented in psychology. Confidence increases faster than competence at low skill levels. True expertise brings caution. So the loudest voice in the room is rarely the smartest. High IQ people may speak softly. They may hedge statements. They may avoid exaggeration. But when they do speak, their reasoning holds up under scrutiny. Now let's look at how this shows up in everyday decision-making. 7. They think in trade-offs, not absolutes. Extremely intelligent people rarely think in always or never. They think in probabilities, trade-offs, and costs. This aligns with research on rational decision-making and cognitive flexibility. High IQ individuals are better at holding multiple variables in mind, accepting that gains come with losses, delaying gratification for long-term benefit. In daily life, this looks like careful financial decisions, realistic career planning, avoiding emotional extremes in relationships. They ask, what am I giving up by choosing this? What's the long-term effect, not just the short-term win? This mindset protects them from many common mistakes, but it also creates a challenge. 8. They often feel out of sync with their environment. This is one of the least discussed but most consistent signs. High IQ individuals often feel slightly misaligned with their surroundings. Not superior, just different. They may notice inefficiencies others ignore. They may question rules everyone accepts. They may feel frustrated by repetitive problems that never get solved. Psychology research suggests that when cognitive ability outpaces environmental complexity, people experience mild dissatisfaction, restlessness, a sense that conversations and systems move too slowly. This does not mean unhappiness. It means heightened awareness. Many highly intelligent people only feel fully engaged when challenged, mentally, not socially or emotionally. And this brings us to an important closing thought. Final reflection. Extremely high intelligence is rarely flashy. It does not announce itself. It does not demand attention. It shows up quietly, in restraint, in curiosity, in emotional control, in thoughtful decision-making. Once you understand these signs, you start seeing intelligence differently. You listen more carefully. You judge less quickly. And sometimes, you realize something uncomfortable. The smartest person in the room is often the one you almost ignored. If this perspective changed how you see people around you, take a moment to reflect on why. Understanding human behavior starts with noticing what most people miss.